what's going on? I'm out here today at Promised Land State Park, hiking along the Little Falls Trail, and this is the Wallenpaupack Creek here. And I was gonna get out here and mess with my DSLR and try that out. I don't generally carry that because it's heavier to video record with, and it's a bit more of a pain because it's all manual, it doesn't have autofocus or anything. And I got it out here and realized I forgot an SD card. So I'm using the phone, and the DSLR is in the car. So this is just gonna be a real quick one. Checking out the Little Falls. I've been here before. Hope you guys enjoy. If you like it, hit that thumbs up. If you like my videos in general, subscribe. And yeah, let's check these out. The audio is going to turn out, but out in these woods I'm hearing horned owls. So this is kind of cool. This is where that bridge up there used to go across, and for a while it was still marked on the map as being down here. And this trail was pretty much abandoned for a few years. There's no blaze, no nothing, but looks like they've gotten back to actually caring about this trail. You see, you got some new sign markers here and blaze on the trees there. So it's actually starting to rain a little bit. The rain is moving in. I'm gonna check this out a little bit and see what they've done on the trail, and I'm gonna start heading back. And here we are, we're at the mark. Now this is a horse trail. It goes back out to the rhododendron camp area, I think. And I could take this and it would loop me. I'd follow this and go up all the way around, come back down, and eventually take me back out to the car, which I generally don't mind doing, but with weather moving in. There's where it crosses here. This is the horse trail. This is like a whoa. You see there's a marker right here, it says 28 on it. Alright, so there's a 28. and it crosses here, and you can kind of see, my phone doesn't have great zoom, but you kind of see right there is Blue Blaze. Tree's gonna be my cameraman. Awesome. So I was kind of hoping to get back here and hear those owls because they were kind of out in this direction, but all I'm really hearing now is snowmobiles. They're starting to all head back to their cars. This weather's moving in. It's probably not coming through on the camera, but it's lightly raining, and this is going to keep up for like the next 24 to 32 hours. So time for me to put the camera away or the phone away and head back to the car because all I've got is this hoodie. So thanks for watching. Like I said, if you like it, hit that thumbs up. If you like what I do, subscribe. I'm gonna try not to get soaked and head back to the car, and I'll see you in the next. Take care.